The world is filled with tiny creatures that find us delicious. Bacteria and viruses are the obvious bad guys, drivers of deadly global pandemics and annoying infections. But the pathogens we haven't had to reckon with as much, yet, are the fungi. People with weak immune systems often die from pathogenic fungi like Candida, Aspergillus, Cryptococcus, and others. But most healthy people haven't had to worry about them. And most of the potentially dangerous fungi on the planet don't do well in the heat of our bodies. But all that may be about to change. According to a new study from Duke University School of Medicine, increased temperatures cause a pathogenic fungus known as Cryptococcus deneoformans to go into overdrive with its adaptive responses. This increases the number of genetic changes, some of which may presumably lead to increased heat resistance, while others may lead to increased disease-causing potential. Specifically, higher temperatures cause a greater number of the fungus transposable elements, or jumping genes, to rise and move within the fungus DNA, resulting in modifications to the way its genes are used and regulated. These mobile elements are likely to contribute to adaptation in the environment and during an infection. This could happen even faster, because heat stress speeds up the number of mutations occurring. These are not infectious diseases in the communicable sense. We don't transmit fungi to each other, but the spores are in the air. We breathe in spores of fungi all the time, and our immune systems are equipped to fight them. Fungal spores are generally larger than viruses, so your existing stock of face masks against COVID would probably be sufficient to stop them. That, and your body heat, at least for now. Fungal diseases are on the rise, largely because of an increase in the number of people with weakened immune systems, or underlying health conditions. Pathogenic fungi may be adapting to warmer temperatures as well. The Duke research focused on 3 transposable elements that were particularly active under heat stress in C. deneoformans. But there are easily another 25 or more transposable elements in that species that could mobilize. Heat stress sped mutations in fungi up. Following 800 generations of growth in laboratory medium, the rate of transposon mutations was 5 times higher in fungi raised at body temperature 37 Celsius, compared with fungi raised at 30 C. One of the transposable elements, called T1, had a tendency to insert itself between coding genes, which could lead to changes in the way genes are controlled. Another element called TCN12 often landed within the sequence of a gene, potentially disrupting that gene's function, and possibly leading to drug resistance. And a third kind, CNL1, tended to land near or in the telomere sequences at the ends of chromosomes, an effect which isn't yet fully understood. As the world warms, transposons in soil fungi like Cryptococcus neoformans could become more mobile and increase genomic changes in ways that could enhance virulence and drug resistance. One more thing to worry about with global warming: